Hi everyone, I'm Rahul from PSU Employees HomeBuild. In today's video, let's understand why middle-class families are now choosing professional property management. Most families today are extremely busy with work, travel, and responsibilities. On top of that, managing a property becomes a big burden. Rent follow-ups, cleaning, maintenance, tenant issues. Professional property management takes all this workload away, so families can focus on their real priorities. In 2025, safety and tenant verification are more important than ever. There are more fraud cases, fake IDs, and disputes happening everywhere. A professional manager ensures verified tenants, proper documents, and police verification, so your property stays safe and protected. With professional property management, rent is collected on time. Monthly reports are clear and electricity and maintenance details are fully transparent. No confusion, no delays, no hidden charges, just clean and honest management. Clean rooms, quick repairs, and respectful dealing help tenants stay longer. And long-term tenants mean stable income for families. A professional system ensures this consistency every month. At PSU Employees HomeBuild, our goal is to make property management safe, modern, and stress-free. Visit www.psuemployees.com. See you in the next video.